in the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand, with an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long way from home, and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, out on runway number 9, big 707 set to go. But I'm stuck here on the ground, where the cold winds blow. Now the liquor tasted good, and the women all were fast. Well, there she goes, my friend. She's rolling down that land. Hear the mighty engines roll, see the silver bird on high. She's away westward bound, far above the clouds she'll fly, where the morning rain don't fall, and the sun always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 2 hours' time. This old airport's got me down. It's no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, as cold and drunk as I can be. You can jump a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I'll best be on my way in the early morning rain.
Johan Lindström gitarr.